So the black circle still plugged in. Alright. Still black circle going. Like I said, I'm doing 3 vacuums, so yeah. And yeah, so. Gonna make this video really awesome, so yeah. And my next video will be, oh yeah, sorry, so, well, I might just, I don't know. I might wait, I don't know. I'm sorry to myself. I don't know what my next video is going to be, but it'll probably be me using the door double or the, I don't know. I'll probably be, I don't know. It might be me vacuuming the shark, but I'm not the store. We'll see. I'll talk about it when I'm done, okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the black jack will get a really good shot. That was to the oreck. We'll see how that one goes. So yeah. Alright. Let's get the oreck going. Alright, we'll see how the oreck goes. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Really good job. So yeah. Okay, here we go, guys. Now we're doing a really good job. So yeah. This horse really long. So yeah. Alright, sorry, so we're done. So yeah. And I think the Dark Devil and the Black Devil one. Yeah. So, my Black Devil and my Dark Devil one, they picked up a lot. Excuse me. Yeah, they picked up quick with it, so yeah. But I'll see you in the next video, so yeah. And yeah, so my next video will be me evacuating the oreck, so yeah. See you guys. Oh, sorry. So, see you later. Bye.